We're not. I almost died. That's what happened. No problem, dude. No problem. Oh. Is this a clown? What is this? I jumped in on my daughter's bike and almost hit my head in the back. Yeah, that thing is sweet. When I had my dirt bike, we'd ride the street here, around the sidewalk and stuff.